Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be taking you through the simple installation steps for our LED backup and LED rear turn signal bulbs on my 2013 Honda Accord. Now on the 9th gen Accord, these upgrades are simple and straightforward. Let's get started. To get started with the installation of our LED rear turn signal bulbs, we're going to remove two plastic push rivets from the trunk liner, one down here and one right up here. Now, for the sake of the video and getting camera angles, we've removed a third right up here above the taillight, but that's not necessary for the installation of our bulbs. With our two rivets out of the way, you'll simply peel the trunk liner back. Now, the bulb that we're removing is actually the very top bulb. So you're going to turn that counterclockwise and pull it out from the housing. That'll give you access to your factory rear turn signal bulb. Now, if your car was running recently, be careful because these bulbs do get very, very hot. In this case, this bulb is nice and cool, so we'll remove that. And install our 510 lumen XP80 LED replacement. Now, while we've got the bulb out, we're going to go ahead and test for function, making sure that it lights up properly. You can see that it does. If your LED turn signal bulb does not light up right away, not a big deal. Simply remove the bulb, flip the connector 180 degrees, and reinstall it. Now that we know that this bulb is functioning properly, we'll reinstall it back into the housing. Then we're going to repeat all these same steps on the passenger side of the car to finalize our rear turn signal installation. Now, to upgrade our factory halogen reverse lights on this 2013 Accord, we're simply going to remove two more plastic rivets from the trunk liner, one here, and then one a little further up behind the actual taillight itself. Once you do that, you'll be able to pull down the trunk liner and access your factory reverse bulb. Now, just like we did with our rear turn signal, you're simply going to turn that stock bulb counterclockwise and pull it out. Now again, these are halogen bulbs, so if your car was running recently, you might want to wear gloves to remove this bulb. They do get hot. In this case, our bulb is nice and cool, so we can simply remove it and set it to the side. Then, we'll simply install our 410 lumen XP50 LED backup light bulbs. That plugs right in. Now, before you reinstall this, it's a good idea to go ahead and test for function, make sure the bulb lights up properly. If it doesn't, not a big deal, simply pull the bulb out, flip the connection 180 degrees, and reinstall it. Once we know it's functioning properly, finalizing the installation is as simple as reinstalling the bulb and turning it clockwise to secure it. With our bulb reinstalled, we'll go ahead and reinstall those two plastic clips we removed, then follow all the same steps on the passenger side of the car to wrap up our installation. With our LED rear turn signal and LED backup bulbs installed, you can see that we not only have dramatically more rear-facing light for when we're backing up at night, but we also have a nice modern look thanks to the crisp on-off functionality of those LED rear turn signal bulbs. Now on these LED rear turn signal bulbs, we do recommend installing our resistor kit in order to prevent hyperblinking. If you're not sure how to install resistors, don't worry, the link to our resistor installation video is in the description below. For more information on any of the bulbs shown here today, click the links in the description or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.